In this video, I will show you how to embed your Lovable AI web app into Shopify. This lets you run your AI tool directly on your Shopify store as a section inside your site. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. On the left menu, click Online Store, then select Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize on the right side. Inside the theme editor, choose where you want to place your app. You can add it to your homepage or any other page section. Click Add Section, scroll down to Layout, and choose Custom Liquid. On the right side, you will now see a blank field where we can paste the embed code. Now, inside Lovable, you can also ask it to generate an embed code for Shopify. Copy the code Lovable gives you, return to Shopify, and paste it inside the custom liquid box. Next, go to Lovable. Make sure your app is published. If it is not published yet, click Publish. Once it is live, open your live app and copy the URL from the browser bar. Go back to Shopify and replace the URL between the quotation marks with the link to your live Lovable app. After pasting and updating the URL, you should see your Lovable app load automatically inside the editor. Click Save to apply the changes. That is how you embed your Lovable AI web app into Shopify. Now your visitors can access and use the app directly on your store. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more guides.